Welcome, CNG 132. Today is Tuesday. I just finished grading everybody's work. Good job on the labs. And then I did get an email or two addressing 13.1. 13.1 and saying that it's out of date. Yes, I remember I mentioned it was out of date in the video. Well, there was one of them. I thought it was 13.2, but it's 13.1. So when you go to, let's go to here. When you go to it, just use it as a reference, guide to go off of. Close that. So if we go down to 13, hands-on projects. 13.1, online vulnerability scanner, Flex or raw software. So remember, this is just an online vulnerability scanner. And if I copy it, paste it, go, brings us up like nets. I guess I should have left free in there, but this one's even this one's even a demo. But they all sort of do the same thing. Here we go. 12 online free tools to scan website security and vulnerabilities, malware. Maybe not exactly what we're looking for. Where was that at? Right here. Online vulnerability scanner. Compare scanners compare applications on a computer with a known list of patches. Okay. So we still want to look for vulnerability scanners, but it's really just finding one that works, that's free and works for you. Feel free to post in the discussion, hey look, you found one. Once again, since we're coming from I wouldn't say just security is a very broad field. Even knowing security, you should be a jack of all trades when it comes to the knowledge of security itself. So have an idea of, okay, you know what, I think I know where to go get this, I think I know where to get that, is step one, and then going out and get it. So we just need to find one that works and scans our applications to make sure they're true. And once again, it should go really quick if you're using it on your virtual machine, because we shouldn't have that many applications at this time. The online port scanner, this one uses TLS Hopper. Another one would be Shields Up. I like Shields Up. It's pretty much to the point. I don't know why the book moved away from it, but you can do the proceed, and then it scans, and then it hopefully doesn't set off anything here on campus, but starts to look at ports on campus. Should be thinking, and you select a service. It should do some output. Oh, well, it's supposed to take off. But Shields Up, once again, a cool one, not the one in the book, but definitely different software to look at. If you have any questions about grading, I will be pulling over the MindTap stuff again by hand over Thanksgiving break. Once again, that takes me a time to do, so you just need to bear with me on that. I will err on the side of MindTap. There's an error in MindTap and give you points for most of the things that I see that have lower scores. What else? Make sure you are doing your Kaplan. Get that done and get that in. Once again, it can only help. It can help you and also hurt you if you don't do it. Turn it in. Fairly easy to do and get. Make sure you call the Larimer Campus Bookstore or go to the Larimer Campus Bookstore on site and then get the book that way. Then when you log in, it'll be something like this. Log in, and then it'll say SYO 501 Security Plus, and then you just practice that test until you get a 70 or better, and then once you do, simply take a picture of it, click, and then you are set to go. Turn that in, and then you can go ahead and get that score to improve your test scores. That's all. Very short for this check-in. Good work on the labs. Keep Abby Lomax out of your stuff. Once again, when you're in a professional environment, sometimes having just that test user, and you want to double check your work and try to get that test user into files that they shouldn't be allowed into, or trying to go places they shouldn't be allowed to go. And once again, that's why we use Abby Lomax. She's a great person to use, even in when we go to higher levels in servers. Good job.